In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a trailing stop loss in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to use a trailing stop loss can significantly enhance your trading strategy. It's a dynamic tool that helps you lock in profits as a trade moves in your favor, while also protecting your gains if the market turns against you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set it up within TradingView. To start, let's navigate to your TradingView platform and head over to your chart section. You can do this by logging into your account and selecting the chart tab at the top of the page. The chart is where all the action happens, and it's critical to know how to navigate around this interface because it's where we'll be setting all our orders. Now that you're on the chart, find the buy or sell button on the top bar of your screen. This is your entry point for establishing positions. Depending on your market analysis or current holdings, you can choose to either buy or sell an asset. Once you make this selection, a trading panel will open. Remember, it's important to be confident in your market analysis at this stage because setting a trailing stop loss is usually part of a broader strategy. Next, you'll need to locate the small plus sign within the trading panel. This is how we'll move forward with setting your stop loss orders. Clicking this sign will expand additional options related to your current trade. It's a simple step, but crucial for allowing more flexibility in modifying your order beyond just initiating buys or sells. After expanding these options, you'll see several types of orders available. Here, you'll want to click on the Sell Stop option. A sell stop order is an essential part of the trailing stop loss mechanism. It sets a trigger price that, when reached, turns into a market order to sell. By placing a sell stop beneath the market price, you can automatically sell your position if the market drops to a certain level. From this point, you can then adjust the specific parameters of your trailing stop loss according to your risk appetite and trading goals. Setting up trailing stop losses effectively can greatly limit your losses and protect profits once your stop reaches its action point. This stop loss can automatically adjust with your asset's price movement to help you stay on top of your trades without the need to constantly monitor them. And there you have it, a straightforward method to set a trailing stop loss in TradingView. This tool can be an indispensable asset in your trading toolkit, offering both protection and opportunity in fast-moving markets. Happy trading, and always use stops wisely.